I saw you at the point, boots wide with desert dust. You laughed like you on the road, smoke rose from your truck bed up. My chain was loose, my hands were rough. You said, boy, you still got a pulse. We rode till the mile markers blurred, till the sky turned copper red. You passed me that hard little bottle and I drank like I was dead. You said, keep up, keep up. So I leaned into the wind, dust on the chain, dust on your thighs. Ride with me, baby, till the morning dies. Dust on the chain. We don't ask why. Desert women keep the night alive. At the diner by the wash, you burn slow on a stove and smoke. We talked about broken bones and names the canyon never spoke. Your ring was cheap, your eyes were kind, your kiss tasted like bad luck. Then you smiled at the vacant lot like you knew what I was made of. We rode till the mile markers blurred, till the sky turned copper red. You passed me that hard little bottle and I drank like I was dead. You said, keep up, keep up. So I leaned into the wind, dust on the chain, dust on your thighs. Ride with me, baby, till the morning dies. Dust on the chain. We don't ask why. Desert women keep the night alive. And death rode close in the mirror, a dark horse on the trail. But you kissed my mouth with a grin, like you meant to cheat that veil. So if I go loving hard, with your hand in mine tonight, let the sand cover our names, let the coyotes take the light. Dust on the chain, dust on your thighs. Ride with me, baby,